wearable gesture controller. Pero. Pero offers new improvements to all your digital devices. All devices will become easier and more enjoyable. Take control the way you want. Be more productive. Pero works seamlessly. Touch the side button. Turn your wrist to move the cursor. Tap the button to click. Touch the palm panel to right-click, or you can use it for its gesture functions. Pero's gestures interacts with all of your devices. Straight, rotationally, and even circular. Even more complex movements. Pero software learns your natural gestures and patterns, so you can easily customize it yourself. Pero's band will always hug gently, yet firmly around your hand, thanks to the use of integral silicone. Simplify your desk with Pero. Desks are now optional. Up your workflow game, anywhere, anytime, with Pero.
Is it a trendy style that looks good wherever you go? Or is it more about what your bag can do, what it can carry, and how it can keep up with you all day long? Maybe it's about design and function, giving you all the greatest features that keep you organized, powered up, and connected, so you never miss an opportunity. Or better yet, a backpack that keeps you safe. Introducing Dawn by OMNIPAX, the first versatile urban backpack equipped with innovative contour lights. With a touch of a button, switch on the contour lights to make yourself more visible with optional flashing modes on the road while riding or walking at night. The ergonomic strap is designed to fit more comfortably than any other bag and reduces stress on your shoulders. The shoulder straps also come with an expandable cell phone pocket with a wide range of compatibility, so your phone can fit snugly while you're on the go. There's even more storage for your AirPods with our magnetic pocket, giving you more convenient accessibility. Adjustable magnetic sternum straps are a breeze to undo, Protective laptop chamber for your work gear. Retractable keychain means you'll never forget your keys ever again. Power up with a hidden retractable charging cable so you always have a full battery. Quickly transform your backpack to a traveler's bag by hiding the straps inside a back panel. Now you have professional-looking luggage for all your travel needs. Dawn is fully expandable, allowing you to pack even more into your bag and keep all your clothes neat and organized when needed. Keep your shoes separated with our handy shoe chamber, and with a snap, your bag is secured. Dawn also comes with a dual-sided laundry cube that keeps all your dirty laundry away from your clean clothes. And a pouch for toiletries keeps everything together without a mess. Turn your Dawn into a professional camera bag with protective cube for all your photography gear. There's even large capacity side storage for tripods or water bottles. Quick access from the side means you'll never miss a great shot. You can also take the protective cube on the go with a detachable shoulder strap. Never let another backpack slow you down.
This is xDrill. It's the Drill Reimagined. Yeah, we know that term is more worn down than a father of 5 at a family vacation. But trust us, there's no better way to describe our drill. If one was to make, or imagine if you will, a drill today, what would it consist of? Sure, it would have to be a terrific drill, but what else? You'd probably want a way to help you know exactly where to drill without the help of a measuring tape and a pencil. It should also have a system that stops the drill when you've reached the right depth. It should let you know if you're leveled, and, as everything today, it should have a touchscreen. xDrill's got all that, and more. It's made for pros, and also amazing for beginners. Basically, it's got everything to make drilling so much simpler. As avid DIYers ourselves, we feel that hardware tools shouldn't be changed. Their soul is in their stability and history. But what if we could improve without changing the basics? xDrill is first and foremost a terrific drill. Our motor is brushless, the battery is 21 volts with a 3-hour work rate for charge. The drill works both forward and reverse, and its high-speed low torque reaches 2000 RPM, while low-speed high torque goes up to 600. In case you're not a drill buff, all that technical jargon means our drill can go through the hardest surfaces and do so precisely. We also made sure the grip is ergonomic and comfortable to use, and that the drill will come in regular and very manly red with flames. Now we're kidding about that one, but our design is slick enough to appreciate. Then comes the reimagined part. xDrill is the first ever smart drill. First, there are the 2 lasers, one in the front and one on the bottom. Here's how they eliminate measuring tape and pencil. Just hold the drill where you want to drill. The lasers measure the distance from the floor and the sidewall. We call that drill point coordinates. That is oh so much time saving for the advanced drillers and will allow beginners not to be left with a wall with more holes than the plot of a soap. Now, while drilling, you want to know if your drilling is leveled. xDrill's digital leveler, that ball in the middle of the touchscreen, lets you know you're leveled as you drill, not after.